plant operators are facing many challenges. They need to reduce operational cost and extend the operating life of their machinery to stay competitive, while they have to meet safety regulations and insurance requirements and protect their assets and personnel. Unexpected machinery failures can lead to unplanned downtimes, health and safety and environmental risks, and consequential failures. How can VIB3000 machinery protection help to master these challenges? The Siemens Energy Machinery Protection System VIB3000 supports you in meeting safety and availability targets by protecting machines and environment from the consequences of machinery failure. VIB3000 machinery protection offers utmost safety and highest availability. Thanks to the highest channel density with up to 60 channels. Thanks to highest flexibility in sensor selection and sensor sensitivity. Thanks to cost-effective spare parts system, we use the same I/O module, which simplifies spare parts management. Thanks to built-in redundancy options. Thanks to pre-integrated Profibus and Modbus interfaces. The system can easily be configured within Siemens Energy DCS from the control room. It can be implemented on new or existing large rotating equipment in all kinds of power generation or industrial applications. The system provides full security even if multiple components fail, and thus helps to minimize operational and maintenance costs. Customers around the globe rely on Siemens Energy VIB3000 machinery protection.